Hi knitters! Today I'd like to show you my glove design called Trek Glove. As the name suggests, I designed these gloves to wear on a winter trekking trip with family. My design goal was to create something that is fun to knit, straightforward to knit, comfortable to wear, and can easily be adapted into mittens, making it a versatile pattern for everyone. The gloves are knitted in a round from the bottom up, featuring a honeycomb cable motif. I went through a phase where I was completely obsessed with this honeycomb cable pattern, and it's such a satisfying cable to knit and gives a lovely texture and structure. This design works beautifully for both men and women's gloves, and it can be adjusted easily for mittens for children's too. For the yarn, I used Lang Super Socks Tweed 6-ply in color 26. I love this yarn. It's an amazingly lofty yarn and really lovely on your hand to knit with, and with a perfect balance of tweedy neps that gives the fabric warmth and depth. The samples shown here are women's size M and children's size 7.5 cm palm width. I knitted these using Addi Colibri double pointed needles, which are my all-time favorite double pointed needles. If you haven't tried those, you should really try it. They are so cheerful, the colors are cheerful, make knitting even more enjoyable, and I love the matte steel finish. It gives a beautiful soft sliding sound as you knit. The trekking glove pattern is available as a PDF download, and there will also be an additional video tutorials to guide you through some of the key glove knitting techniques. I hope you enjoy knitting this design as much as I did. If you ever knit this glove and go on a family woodland walk, please share it with me. It would definitely make my day. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy glove knitting!